Hello everyone, this is Kian from Reaper Rocker. On today's episode, magba-band feature tayo at kikilalanin natin ang bandang Oxy PH, isang alternative rock band mula sa Rizal at alamin natin ang tungkol sa kanilang musika. So if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Let's go! Oxy PH is an emerging Filipino alternative and OPM band known for their melodic and emotive sound. They have been active in the local gig circuit and performed in notable venues like Blackout Manila and Archives Manila. They also been part of Sikap Music Studio, artists, alongside with Vanilla Economy, Archives, Bridge the Sky, Ray Rat, and so much more. The band composed of Jeko Lumabaw, Jonard Sison, Jerome Magbusaw, Carlo Convento, and Alex Valdecanas. The band released their debut EP entitled Initium on June 2024, and their music often blends with alternative rock sensibilities with relatable Tagalog lyrics. Some of the most popular songs include Simula, Patawad, Baliw, and Thousand Miles. Nung nakilala ko ang grupong Oxy PH sa Badcat X Sikap last year, dito nag-perform ang mga iba't ibang Sikap music studio artists. So, na-discover ko tong banda na to kasi isa sila sa nasa lineup at under din sila ng Sikap music studio artist. So, one thing na talagang na-interest ako sa kanila is yung energy na binibigay ng vocalist, no? Napaka-solid at may pagka-bibo at saka pagka-makulit din siya, no? Talagang tutuwa lang ako pagka na-perform siya, no? So, I want to share this video ng kanilang live performance and I hope you like it.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing and won't back. You can stand for just us, but it's still right
And that was Oxy's live performance. So, overall, ang masasabi ko sa banda na to ay they are talented and energetic band. No? Talagang kahit sabi mong hindi ka interesadong makinig ng kanilang music, magkakaroon ka ng interest dahil grabe, ang lakas silang makakot ng attention sa crowd at talagang masasabi ko na every time na napapanood ko ang kanilang gig, lahat ng mga tao ay napapawaw sa kanila. Without exaggeration, talagang nandun yung kanila, yung energy talaga, nanghahawa ba? Napaka-positive ng mga vibe ng banda na to, talaga. Na-share nila to sa mga manonood. And nakikita ko rin sa kanila, ang lakas ng potential na to na sumikat as one of the finest acts. And I hope na makita natin someday, no, na makapag-perform sila alongside with the other known bands. Ang laki ng potential, no. Nakikita ko talaga yung vibe ng banda na to, na iba yung dating nila. So, I hope lang, no, na patuloy nilang mawalang sila ng musika. Tsaka yung mga musika lang napaka-catchy at saka talagang nakakainggan yung pakinggan. Napaka-lively, cheery, at talagang nakaka-LSS at the same time. So, I love the craft na ginagawa nila and each one of them is very talented kaya talagang napaka-solid. So, suportahan natin ang mga banda sa indie scene at itong OCPH isa sa kanila napaka-exceptional. Check out nyo yung kanilang social media accounts at saka check out nyo rin yung mga gig schedule sila. Suportahan natin sila.
Let's check out the mosh spots that we could visit for the following days.
Alright, so that was all for the video for today, and let me know in the comment sections anong masasabi nyo sa bandang Oxy PH. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs and consider subscribing. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode. This is Ian signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas!